Happy Thursday. Welcome back to Calendar Time. It is Thursday. We're going to hop our arrow over to Thursday. We are in December. It is Thursday, December the 3rd today. Thursday, December the 3rd. Thursday. What does that spell? Thursday. There's that digraph. Thursday. Thursday. It is Thursday. Oh, let's see. What if I want to show 2 o'clock? At 2 o'clock, I am still working with some boys and girls in the afternoon. At 2 o'clock in the morning, I am fast asleep. 2 o'clock. Where would our hour hand point? Where would our minute hand point? Did you show 2 o'clock? Hour hand at the 2. Minute hand at the 12. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. How would I show that on my digital clock? 2 first for our hour. 2, 0, 0. Yes, 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. Okay, we started some new number work using our base 10 block, showing those 10s and 1s. Today's number is the number 22. 22. So remember, I'm going to write it right down here. Or if you'd like to go ahead and write it in the middle of your more and less box, we can do it there. 22. How many 10s and how many 1s are in the number 22? Yeah, they both have 2. There are 2 10s and 2 1s. How would I represent that in a drawing of base 10 blocks? 2 10s, 2 1s. How would you represent that? Did you make 2 big lines for our 10s? 2 little dots for our 1s? 22. So that number word is still 20 if you want to write it in the number word. 20. And the number word 2, that is one of our sight words. We have 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, and then 2, T-W-O. Number word 2. 22. Now for a number sentence, remember we talked about we're going to think about what the 2 10s represent. That's our first number. 2 10s mean 10, 20. So we'd start with 20 plus how many 1s? 2 1s. And that equals 22. 20 plus 2 equals 22. We call this expanded form. Expanded form. Now, let's take a look at our more and less boxes. What would be 1 less? 1 less. There's 22. 1 less means it comes just before it. There's 22. Just before it, I hop back 1. It is 21. That was our number yesterday, right? 21. Have you noticed a pattern in our numbers? Yeah, I just do the next number every day right now. 22. 1 more. So we have our 22. 1 more means I have to hop forward. 23. If I count forwards by 1s, 21, 22, 23. It works out. If I count backwards by 1s, 23, 22, 21. It still works out. Now, 10 less. There's 2 10s first, so 1 less 10 would be a 1 first Are our ones going to change? No, good. They stay the same. So this says it should be 12. Let's take a look. 22. 10 less if I go 1 above it. It is the number 12. Now let's think, what would 10 more be? If we have 2 10s and we put one more bundle of 10, we have 3 10s and still have our 2 1s. This says it should be 32. Let's take a look. 22. 10 less means I'm going to come below it. 1 down. 32. We can count forward by 10s. 12, 22, 32, or backwards. 32, 22, 12. Nice work. Okay, if we add a straw for today, yesterday was 60 days. I can't believe we already made it to 60. That was 6 10s and 0 1s. 6 10s, 0 1s plus one more. 1 1 now. Good. So we still have our 6 10s now. Our 1 1. 6 10s, 1 1. 61. Excellent job. 61 days. Ooh, we need to add another snow friend. He's got to start, or she. This one looks like she's got a pink little hat. One more. We're starting a new 10 frame. We have 6 full 10 frames and 1 more. 60 plus 1 more equals that 61 for sure. Okay. If we want to show, oh, I forgot to hop it over here. 60. Uh-oh. Where do I go? Down and to the left. Okay. Down all the way over to the left. There it is. 61. Great job. Whew. Got scared. Okay. So yesterday we showed 13 cents. I want to add one more coin. That means I would have 14 cents. So I know I can do 2 nickels because I know 5 and 5 is 10. Oh, got to remember that dime. Yeah. The least amount of coins would be a dime first. A dime first. 10 cents for a dime. If it's 14, 4 more pennies. Good. 4 more pennies. 1, 2, 3, 14. That would be the least amount of coins. A dime and 4 pennies. I didn't draw them very big. I'm going to use my coins that way. A dime and 4 pennies. 14 cents. Great work. That means tomorrow will be 15. I wonder if there's a way to do 15 with less coins. Do you think it'll be a dime and 5 pennies? Think about it. We'll find out tomorrow.